Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare Dhaba style egg masala curry. It's one of the new variation in preparing the egg curry. Come on, let's start the process of making this egg curry. The required ingredients for preparing this recipe are boiled eggs, green chili slits, curry leaves, coriander, ginger garlic paste, chopped onions, fennel seeds, chopped tomatoes, basin. I added little bit of water into it, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, dhania powder, garam masala, dry red chilies, cinnamon sticks, cloves and cumin seeds. Now switch on the stove and take a pan, add oil in it. Once oil get heated, add cinnamon stick, cloves and cardamom. Add cumin seeds. Add fennel seeds. Now add turmeric powder. Mix it once. Add dry red chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry it on a low flame. Once ginger garlic paste raw flavor was gone, add green chili slits. Add curry leaves. Combine everything. Now add chopped onions, mix everything. Now add required amount of salt. Once onion get fried, now add chopped tomatoes. Mix everything. Now add basin flour mix. For preparing this, just add basin flour and water. Now mix it once. Add coriander powder or dhania powder. Add garam masala. Add red chili powder. Now combine it. Now add required amount of water. Now give a good mix. Now add chopped coriander leaves. And give a good mix. Now take a deep pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, stir it once. And drop the boiled eggs one by one. Fry these eggs on a low flame until it absorbs the red chili powder and turmeric. Once it's done, now add these eggs into curry. Now combine everything until the egg absorbs the gravy. Now switch off the flame and transfer this into a serving bowl. Guys, try this egg curry and give your valuable feedbacks in a comment section.